They are also masters of the land and seas. No other group of animals can venture so high in the air, nest in all land masses, and dive such a great depths below the water. Images of birds flying soaring to the sky signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's start our show by welcoming our flag-raising bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit is a red-green macaw, also known as the green-winged macaw. Macaw are widespread among the forests of woodlands of northern and south Central America. And there you go, our show is officially started. Let's give a round of applause for Bandit. Hello everyone! Maayong hapon sa tanan. Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. I am Daisy, your host for today's show. Now for our next featured birds are not just like any best friends, but sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? Now let's meet Blue and Azul. And right there with trainer Mark is Blue, and right there with trainer Grisa is Azul. Now today they're battling it out who is the best in the basketball game. But before we start to spend the battle, let me divide you guys into two groups. Now all the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue, go Blue. And all the girls, let's cheer for Azul. Say, go Azul, go Azul. And now, are you ready for the basketball game? Yeah! Uy, wala may mga energy. Are you guys ready? Yes, now Bird's ready. Trainer's ready. Set, go! Let's go, Bird. Let's go, Blue. Let's go, Azul. Oh, first ball for Blue. Foul by Azul. Second ball for Blue. Foul by Azul. And it's winning. Blue wins this game. Sayang Azul, na trainer Prinza, you lost this game. What can you say?
Hold it, Trainer Mark. We want another race.
Oh, trainer, you want another race?
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Oh, my.
Well, this time I'm sure Azul and I will win.
So, trainer, what game do you have in mind?
Well, the game I have in mind is a ring race. Now, the first bird who gets to put all 3 rings on the pole the fastest is the winner, and that is a ring race.
So, a ring race, it shall be. Now, remember, Blue and the boys will be ready 1 point. That is soon for Azul this time to win. Now, guys, are you ready for the second round? Yes, now Bird's ready. Trainer's ready. Set, go, let's go, Bird, let's go, Blue, let's go, Azul. First come Blue, first ring for Blue, let's go, Blue. Second ring, what is this? Sayang, Blue wins this game. Now let's give a round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now this time, I need an adult volunteer with a money bill. Anyone who wants to be a lucky volunteer, just bring with you a paper bill, 20, 50, or 100. Ikaw sir, naka-green. Any money bill, 20, 50, or 100. Money bill sir, any money bill, 20, 50, or 100. Now sir, please come join us here on stage. Now as you notice, most of our birds are parrots because parrots are very intelligent. Those are remarkable cognitive abilities, right Hershey? Now, sir, please stand right here. Now, face me, sir. Face me. Now, extend your left arm like this. Now, sir, I'll be inserting this money between your finger. Now, sir, please do not try to move or swing your arms, okay? Now, sir, are you ready?
Ready.
Any last word?
No last word.
Now let's call in our money bird, Blue. Let's go, Blue. Oh, medyo kusog-kusog mo ng hangin. Ito sa halapan si Blue, ha? Now Blue flies over. What's next, Blue? Blue flies to the table and Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money, sir. Sir, nakatanas ako, sir. It is okay to you that Blue donated your money.
Worth it.
Now, sir, since worth it naman, how about a second round, sir? How about 1,000 ako, sir? I'm just kidding, sir. It's part of our show. But before Blue returns your money, Blue wants to take a picture with you. Now, sir, please follow our trainer instruction. Now, smile and pose together with our money bird, Blue. Now, smile to the camera. Now, sir, here's your money, sir. Now, sir, please follow our photographer. They will giving you a free printed copy of your photo. A round of applause for a volunteer and a money bird, Blue. Now, this time, we're going to show you our different types of parrots. Now, here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 different types of parrots. Our green-winged macaw named Bandit. Our blue and gold macaw named Goldie, and our blue-named parrot named Yoshi. Now, before I will call in our lovely parrots, I would like to request everyone, and if our birds and trainers will roam around, please do not try to touch or grab the feathers of our birds again. And if our trainers and birds will roam around near you, please do not try to touch or grab the feathers of our birds. Thank you. Now let's call in Bandit, Goldie, and Yoshi. Now let's wait for our birds. Right there with trainer Alden is Goldie. Right there with trainer Mark is Bandit. Right there with trainer Nicholas is Yoshi. Now to start with is our green-winged macaw named Bandit. Now Bandit right there, as you can see, his body is covered with red plumage. His wing and tail feathers are blue and green. Now this macaw has a white naked face wrapped with small red feathers. Now Bandit, say hi to everyone, say hi! How about the other side, Bandit? Hello! Now up next, we have our blue and gold macaw named Goldie. Now Goldie right there is a beautiful shade of blue in his back and a solid shade of yellow in his belly and inner wings. Now its eyes and beaks are solid black. Now Goldie's scientific name is Arona. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 blue and gold macaw. Earlier in the basketball game, that was blue and azul. And Goldie will have her own segment later. Now lastly, we have our blue-named parrot named Yoshi, the very small one. Now Yoshi right there is native in Borneo and here in the Philippines. Now this bird is also known as a Philippine green parrot, or locally known as pickroy. Now did you know guys, now Yoshi right there is featured at the back of our 500 peso wheel. na siya na bird ang nakita sa itong likod sa itong 500 peso bill. Ang blue niya ay carrot. Now, as for the lifespan, Yoshi right there can live up to 30 years old, while Bandit and Goldie can live up to 60 years old. Now lastly, parrots are monogamous, meaning they can only have one partner for the entire lifetime. Now that is it for our 24